In the realm of finance, Palantir is poised to unveil its earnings report on November 2nd, an event that may mark a pivotal moment in the company's history. Investor attention is keenly focused on Palantir's growth trajectory, profit margins, and the evolution of its artificial intelligence platform. Palantir's artificial intelligence platform has been a transformative force since its inception, and with its artificial intelligence bootcamps, Palantir trains its customers on how to properly use its platform. This is why many investors are trying to buy Palantir stock to gain early positioning in anticipation of earnings, which could be a savvy move. From a technical vantage point, there are indications that we may have reached a market low. However, there are financial reporters who believe that Palantir stock will pull back to around $12. I'm not entirely ruling out a post-earnings sell-off, especially given the tone set by Tesla recently. Now, following this correction and while the company still needs to prove itself, I'm optimistic about the prospects of the artificial intelligence platform, and this should positively impact investor sentiment. Palantir's artificial intelligence platform is a game changer, which has ushered in a revolution in the software and AI landscape. CEO Alex Karp announced this pivotal platform, which enables customers to harness the power of their machine learning technologies alongside cutting-edge natural language processing capabilities from the latest large language models. These capabilities are seamlessly integrated into Palantir's existing platforms, including Foundry and Gotham, home to some of the world's most valuable, privately held, and industry-specific data repositories. Almost unwittingly, over the past 2 decades, Palantir has been developing technology that takes large language models to a new level. Now let's talk about Q3 prospects, because Palantir recently announced that its third quarter earnings will be released on November 2nd. What can we anticipate, and what potential outcomes should we consider? In Q2, Palantir provided guidance for Q3 and the full year, projecting revenue in the range of $553 to $557 million, marking a 4.5% quarter-over-quarter growth on the upper end. On the other hand, operating income is expected to remain relatively stable if it aligns with the lower end of the range. Crucially, Palantir must deliver GAAP net income at the very least. Any shortfall would reignite concerns about its profitability. In my view, for the stock to rally, it must outperform revenue expectations. The company's quarter-over-quarter growth forecast isn't particularly promising, which could disappoint investors. Nevertheless, the numbers could be a game changer for the earnings report, even if growth and profitability fall short. Investors are clearly eager to grasp the significance for the company's future. From a technical analysis perspective, Palantir presents the possibility of either a post-earnings sell-off or a substantial rally. This outlook may evolve over the coming week. In any case, these are the key levels that demand our attention. Since hitting a low at the beginning of the year, Palantir has continued to rise in their share price due to upward momentum. The stock's value has more than tripled since then, making a pullback or consolidation phase practically inevitable. The question remains, did this correction conclude on September 21st, when the stock reached $13.50? From an Elliott wave perspective, this structure could benefit from another low in a C wave. This C wave might target between the 38.2% and 61.8% retracement levels. Furthermore, the 200-day moving average offers support just above $12, which makes it an attractive entry point. Nonetheless, there's also a chance that we won't revisit lower lows. Notice the distribution structure we've formed since August, which closely resembles the pattern observed when Palantir initially corrected in a smaller wave back in March to April. In fact, we now have a favorable setup for an upward move following the breakout from the 50-day moving average. If Palantir has indeed completed its correction, we may embark on a path toward a price point of at least $60 per share. In summary, my long-term outlook for Palantir remains bullish, though I anticipate a post-earnings sell-off unless the company significantly exceeds expectations. Furthermore, I believe their artificial intelligence platform is poised to become a major revenue driver for the company, potentially leading to a higher stock price in the future. Therefore, in the end, we see that Palantir is on its way to having a great earnings report, and if we give their stock enough time, it could reach $60 per share. If you want more videos on Palantir stock, then press the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. With that being said, I wish you the best of luck and happy investing.